Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today we're here with Intence with a song called MAKANAKi. MAKANAKi is a Nigerian name, means a gift from God. So they got the Nigerians them who follow the channel. But it's called MAKANAKi Intence. The reason why I know it because I just go Google and that word it, because I never know what it was or what it mean. So I thought it was some hidden meaning, which it mean a gift from God. So I could see what the G has said on that one here. Let's go another one here. Let's go Intence. Let's see if the song I got chip up is at the summer. Let's go.
Country hat music.
MAKANAKi, gift from God, then a hoof tappy. Swag no drop, but top, both forget wild out now. Pull up, blap, black, boop, back, can chuck for the back top notch.
Yo, chip off. This, me I predict that one from early. This is the next Yahoo boys. This is the next banger. This is the next banger. Let's go.
Country hat music.
MAKANAKi,
Yeah.
gift from God, then a hoof tappy. Swag no drop, but top, both forget wild out now. Pull up, black, boop, back, can chuck for the back top notch. Buckle pop, both forget wild out now. Pull up, but girl pa my cock. It's like she want for real, crab shit up. Anything for the God, but they ever call it drip this arena. Kia me them bumbo club early and still man closing up. You know see a mouse keen a man a wear. Some man a table ice, look on them a fridge, them a pussy. Give me the tata.
Someone at talk about ice. Yo, look on them, you fridge them, you pussy. Yo, it make the ice. Fridge make ice. So ice in a real pussy, this a fridge. Me make the ice. Know yourself.
Sorry, Kia me them bumbo club early and still man closing up. You know see a mouse keen a man a wear. Some man a table ice, look on them a fridge, them a pussy. Give me the tata and a trouble at the ras. Yo, I'm money as time and yo shift your ass. I read coulda tougher than car. Put her pump cocking on the space now in your heart. Swag no drop.
Once I put her baby cocky on the space now my heart.
Trouble at the ras. Yo, I'm money as time and yo shift your ass. I read coulda tougher than car. Put her pump cocking on the space now in your heart. Swag no drop. But top. Both forget wild out now. Pull up, blap, can chuck. For the back. Both forget wild out now. Pull up, but girl pa my cock. It's like she want for real, crab shit up. Thing for the God. Thing for the God. Clutch a girl sending in the beats, oh my god, tan. The Polo, them the Gucci, them the Louis Vuitton.
Man say clutch a girl sending the beats and I'm avant. So for those who don't know what a clutch a girl is, clutch a girl are the girl that go do them thing at the store, take with them and clutch them thing and come out. So them people now they are foreign. So him have a link where him order some clothes and them forward in him you know? Yeah, the father Jamaica team and things. So.
Wild out now, pull up, but girl pa my cock. It's like she want for real, crab shit up. Thing for the God. Thing for the God. Clutch a girl sending in the beats, oh my god, tan. The Polo, them the Gucci, them the Louis Vuitton. So she go and all the things she can't mash hands. And when me feel me need a night, me shop a Stevens fashion. You think a night me go? Me change for the night for done killers na junkie. Yo, my devil like serum, head mad you know. Lime creep on the pump.
Oh, the man does this real nephew. The man say, but they like serum, man. You watch out.
Me need a night, me shop a Stevens fashion. You think a night me go? Me change for the night for done killers na junkie. Yo, my devil like serum, head mad you know. Lime creep on the pump, and on the style of just turn. The girl brace up in front, dead pants something tough. Swag no job, but top. Both forget wild out now. Pull up, but girl pa my cock. It's like she want for real, crab shit up. Anything for the God, but they ever call it drip this arena. Kia me them bumbo club early and still man closing up. You know see a mouse keen a man a wear. Some man a table ice, look on them a fridge, them a pussy. Give me the tata and a trouble at the ras. Yo, I'm money as time and yo shift your ass. I read coulda tougher than car. Put her pump cocking on the space now in your heart. Swag no drop, but top. Both forget wild out now. Pull up, blap, can chuck. For the bag. Both forget wild out now. Pull up, but girl pa my cock.
Yo, honestly, yo, big up yourself, Intence. Big up yourself. You want them you that will go against the grid and just do what you want to do, brother. Like, I don't give a fuck what people think about you, my G. Big up yourself, bro. Like, my G, big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself. If you do what you do and still maintain relevant and still maintain on top of your game, bro. Respect after respect. That's after you, bro. Respect. Song bad. The song I come cheap for a piece of summer. Me know that for a fact. The song bad. That put up on it. Yeah, I like that. Yo, Intence, big up yourself though. And the whole Jenna Jet Life camp. You don't know the thing, go. Yo, if you enjoy that one, I want to see more from your G. You know what to do, man. Just do the right thing, man. Hit the like button to motivate me, cause YouTube shadow ban me. And subscribe around here if you're new. The reason why I say YouTube shadow ban me because people that subscribe and hit the notification bell for when we post a video, them get the notification. Not getting it. Them don't see it, them don't see it on recommendation, them don't see anything. So YouTube, I'm begging you, unblock me now, yo. I just free me up now, please. Free me up. Yeah? If I did something to offend anyone from the team of YouTube, I'm sorry. Please free me up. Alright? So I see you guys on the next one, man. Peace.